In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import audio in Davinci Resolve. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your desktop or applications folder. Once it opens, go ahead and open an existing project you want to work on. That way, the audio you bring in will land exactly where you need it. Next, move to a workspace where importing is straightforward. You can use either the Edit page or the Media page. You'll find the page tabs along the bottom of the interface. Click Edit if you want to see your timeline while importing, or choose Media if you prefer a dedicated media management view. Now, locate the media pool. This is your project's library, the place where all your clips, including audio, live before they're placed on the timeline. On the Edit page, the media pool is usually in the top left or bottom left panel, depending on your layout. On the Media page, it's front and center. If you don't see it, look for the Media Pool button in the interface to reveal it. One reliable way to bring audio in is to right-click anywhere in the empty space inside the Media Pool and choose Import Media. This opens your file browser. Navigate to the folder that contains your audio, select one or multiple files. Formats like WAV, AIFF, and MP3 are commonly supported, and click Open. Resolve will add them to the media pool, ready to use on any timeline. If you prefer speed, you can also drag and drop. Open your computer's File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac OS, select your audio files, and drag them directly into the media pool. If you already know where you want the audio to land, you can even drag it straight onto the timeline in the Edit page. When dropping onto the timeline, make sure you place it on an audio track and near the playhead so it goes exactly where you intend. Dragging to the timeline automatically imports the file into the media pool as well, so everything stays organized. There's also a classic menu path that does the same thing. In the top menu bar, go to File, click Import, and then choose Media. This opens the same file browser and works especially well if your panels are hidden or you prefer using menus. Select your audio and confirm to bring it into the project. That's it. Launch Resolve and open your project, head to the Edit or Media page, find the media pool, and import using right-click, drag and drop, or the File menu. With your audio imported, you're ready to edit, sync, and mix inside your timeline.